everyone, welcome back to Resto. So in this video coming up, you're gonna see some details, and I'm all about the details. You know, when you're doing something, like my father always said, Ray, if you do it once, do it right. So with the video coming up, you're gonna see those details that I'm spending on this truck, and it's kind of one of those things, once you start down this road, you kind of gotta keep going. So
Right.